Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English comprehension lesson. Today we're going to be talking about homophones. Homophones. What are homophones? But before we get into this lesson today, always please like my page. And if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So, what are homophones? Well, homophones are a tricky part of correct grammar. They are words that sound exactly the same but are totally different in meaning. They can even be spelled the same way, leading to even greater confusion. But today we're going to be going over 3 homophones today. These are some of the most common and misleading words, grammar words in the English language. The 3 words that I'm speaking about is to, and two. The words to, and two are also homophones that many people have trouble with. Going over these homophones will ensure that you will use correct grammar. Let's use the word to, T-W-O. This is the one that's easiest because it always means the number 2. The easiest way to know if you are using this correctly is to substitute the word to, T-W-O, for two. If the sentences make sense, it's a match. Here's an example of T-W-O, two. I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, and 2 feet. Here's another example. It's more fun when it's just the 2 of us. Let's look at the homophone to, T-O-O. There are 2 ways to use this word. Here's an example. She ate too much candy and had a stomach ache. Here's another example. The music is too loud. To means also or in addition. If you can substitute the word also for to, you are using this word correctly. Here's an example. Do you want to go swimming too? That's Lyndsay's sweater too. That's Lyndsay's sweater too. Let's look at the word T-O, to. There are also 2 ways to use the word to, T-O. As a preposition which connects nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a complete sentence before a noun. It is used to show direction or a destination. Here's an example of the word to, T-O. Yes, I am going to the party later. Here's another example. Hand it to me, please. We also use the word to, T-O, before the base form of a verb to make infinitives. Here's an example. I want to go home. Here's another example. I need to use the bathroom. So now you know how to identify and properly use two commonly misused homophones, a very well-known grammar problem in the English language. Correct grammar is very important and should become easier and easier for you the more you understand and practice. You will know how to use homophones correctly. Well, that's the English conversation exercise today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like it, please like the page and also hit that subscribe button, guys, if you've not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, have a great day, okay?